Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Don't forget to subscribe!
Have you ever wondered how explorers find their way in the deep, dark woods? They use a super cool tool called a compass. It looks a bit like a watch, but instead of telling time, it tells you exactly where to go. Here is the big secret. Our planet Earth is actually a gigantic magnet floating in space. Just like the magnets holding pictures on your fridge, the Earth has a powerful, invisible magnetic force. Because Earth is a giant magnet, it has two very important spots, the North Pole at the top and the South Pole at the bottom. Imagine the Earth wearing a magnetic hat and magnetic shoes. Now, let's look at the compass needle. That little spinning arrow is actually a tiny, lightweight magnet itself. Because it balances on a sharp pin, it is free to spin around and dance. Magnets follow a strict rule. Opposites attract. The red tip of your compass needle is absolutely in love with the Earth's magnetic north. It wants to put it at it all the time. Even though we can't see it, there is a magnetic force field covering the whole world. The compass needle can feel this invisible force and lines up with it perfectly, acting like a magic wand pointing north. For hundreds of years, sailors, pilots, and hikers have trusted this magnetic magic to travel the world. Without a compass, they might walk in circles and never find the hidden treasure. So next time you hold a compass, remember you are holding a tiny magnet that is talking to our giant planet. Now that you know the secret, grab a map and go on your own adventure.